The YIHUA 939D digital soldering station is an impressive tool for any electronics enthusiast or professional. With its precise heat control, ranging from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, you have complete command over your soldering projects. The built-in transformer ensures a stable and consistent power supply, eliminating any worries about fluctuations. One of the standout features is its ESD safety, which is crucial for protecting sensitive electronic components. The station is also lead-free, making it an environmentally friendly choice. The Degree C Degree F display is a handy addition, catering to users worldwide. Unboxing this soldering station, you'll find a sleek and compact design. The digital display is easy to read and navigate, allowing for quick adjustments during soldering. The station heats up rapidly, saving valuable time, and maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring your soldering joints are of the highest quality. The included soldering iron is lightweight and comfortable to hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The tip is durable and retains heat well, ensuring efficient soldering. The station also comes with a range of tips, catering to different soldering needs. Overall, the YIHUA 939D is an exceptional soldering station, offering precision, durability, and ease of use. It's a reliable tool for both beginners and experts, providing an excellent experience and consistent results. With its affordable price point and high-quality performance, it's an easy recommendation for anyone in the market for a new soldering station.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.